look. Gaze, to look steadily. Walk. Stroll, to walk in a relaxed way. Run. Sprint, to run at full speed. Jump. Leap, to jump with force. Sit. Lounge, to sit in a relaxed way. Stand. Upright, to be in a standing position. Lie. Recline, to lie back in a relaxed way. Cry. Weep, to cry deeply. Smile. Grin, to smile widely. Eat. Devour, to eat eagerly and quickly. Drink. Sip, to drink in small amounts. Throw. Toss, to throw lightly. Pull. Yank, to pull forcefully. Push. Shove, to push roughly. Hold. Grip, to hold firmly. Touch. Tap, to touch lightly. Cut. Slice, to cut with precision. Break. Shatter, to break into many pieces. Build. Construct, to make something. Destroy. Demolish, to completely destroy. Win. Triumph, to achieve victory. Lose. Defeat, to fail in a competition. Ask. Request, to ask politely. Tell. Narrate, to tell a story. See. Glance, to look quickly. Hide. Conceal, to keep something out of sight. Find. Discover, to find something new. Start. Initiate, to begin something important. Stop. Halt, to come to a sudden stop. Take. Acquire, to obtain something. Keep. Retain, to keep something for a long time. Give. Bestow, to give as a gift or honor. Come. Arrive, to reach a destination. Go. Depart, to leave a place. Live. Reside, to live in a place. Die. Perish, to pass away. Like. Admire, to like and respect. Hate. Loathe, to strongly dislike. Help. Aid, to assist. Fix. Mend, to repair something small. Fight. Combat, to struggle in a battle. Shout. Yell, to speak loudly. Listen. Hearken, to listen carefully. Think. Reflect, to think deeply. Imagine. Envision, to picture something in your mind. Guess. Hypothesize, to make an educated guess. Plan. Strategize, to make detailed plans. Forget. Omit, to leave something out. Write. Compose, to create written work. Read. Peruse, to read carefully. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.